Today our story is Country ABCs by Finola Louise. We can have fun with the alphabet in the country. Let's look for things that start with each letter. A, axe, B, bee. C, corn, D, duck. E, eggs, F, farm. G, goat, H, hay. I, inchworm, J, jam. K, kitten, L, lamb. M, mouse, N, net. O, ox, P, pig. Q, quilt, R, rake. S, scarecrow, T, tomato. U, udder, V, vegetables. W, windmill, X, x-ray. Y, yak, Z, zucchini. Look at what we found. Look at the country things. What letter does each thing start with? The end.